from the back row. Good receive. Oh, Galanza!
Doesn't matter if Bob Scarlett is in the bench for
12 all. Galanza scores against the defense of Samoilenko. Di makulangan, Samoilenko going up again. Gemma against 3 blockers. Oh, wow!
Gemma Galanza.
Ceballos with a push. Valdez was right there. Galanza, single blocker.
Blocking, and then the foreign guest player would actually score from that pipe attack.
Galanza knocking it in. But these with their own 2-point run.
Good set from Cheng right there.
Good coverage by Atienza. Galanza drills that one in.
A while ago you were saying Galanza didn't make too much points.
Pablo off the block. De Guzman to Domingo. Pablo with a rejection. Galanza down the line. Sabete taking a lot of that 8-second serve. As cross court from Galanza is good.
Wow, that's one thing that I really admire.
Sets already for De Guzman, coming off a 24 excellent set performance. Off-speed attack. What an adjustment. She was approaching like she was going to hit hard, but then the set wasn't to her liking and she adjusted. Combination play. Gemma Galanza.
If there's one player on the floor.
And at 5-20-15. Araneta blocked. Oh. Gemma Galanza doing everything today. Serving 9. Oh! Miscue there, Bieria and Jack Janela.
Never Creamline is serving because ito nga napakababa nung serve ng Creamline, no?
Yeah.
And as I say that,
Regalo to go. In play. Creamline on the counter. Galanza on the angle. Oh boy, from our angle-ish, which is right. Priscilla from behind. De Guzman will go to Gemma. It's in play, coach. Chance ball.
Opportunity to strike. Galanza with a good dig. Morado, Galanza, yeah! In the meantime, here's the serve by Carandang. Here comes the Negrito set. Galanza unload. Off the block. Kumaba with one hand on it. Galanza!
Smart Araneta Coliseum. This is the first PVL match here. And it promises to be a nail-biter.